Instagram has just updated the way that you can edit clips inside of Instagram Reels, including the new rearrange button. I'm going to show you how to use it in this video. Hi, I'm Wonderful Lida, a digital course video producer based in Vancouver, Canada. I teach video production to service providers so that they can film once to teach many. If you have a course idea and want to learn how to film yourself, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel because I have new videos out every Wednesday. So first of all, we're going to start by filming 4 clips that are out of order. So I'm going to go 4, 2, 3, and 1. So if you want to edit it how we always used to edit, you press the back button here and you can see all your clips. This still exists as a function. In here you can either throw out any of the clips or trim them. However, you weren't able to grab the clip and move it over. It would just allow you to either delete or trim the clips. There's a new function. To access it, go Done, go to Preview, and then if you have it in your Reels, you will see it up here, right down here. It's gonna say Edit Clips. So click on Edit Clips, and here's a new edit menu. So what it allows you to do is reorder your clips. So if you click on ReOrder, you can see your clips are shaking a little bit, and now you can move them into the spot that you want to put them in. So I can see if I just hold down this first clip and then I drag it to the front, so I have one. Let's just hold down this clip and drag it in place. Once it's there, just let go. And let's do the same for this one. So there you go. You can quickly change the order of your clips because this honestly allows for a much easier edit. So once you're done, just press Done. You can still have a little bit more functionality within this. You can preview your timeline by pressing play right there. And you can pause it. You can move your cursor to wherever in your timeline you want it. So just by holding down the white dot there, so you can just skim through it. You can also trim your videos right in here. So if I push one down, it will take me to this, and this allows me to see the entire clip, and it'll allow me to trim the ends. You can see as I'm trimming, the time code changes, so I can see the duration of the newly trimmed clip. And once I make my trim and I'm happy with this, all I do is press back to all clips, and the clip is trimmed. I can also add clips from here. When I press Add Clips, it's going to take me back to my camera and allow me to record. To get back, I just have to go to Preview, Edit Clips, and I'm back. And then the last thing, when you're done, you could just press the Done button to get out of here. The great thing with this is that you're already in the Edit module, so you can see up here you still have your menu. You can add all your graphics, your music, your voiceover, your filters, and then when you press Next, you can post your reel. So there you have it. Now you know how to use the new edit function in Instagram Reels, and it's going to make reordering your clips that much easier. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every Wednesday. Until next time, peace!